Will the Nothing Phone 1 live up to all the hype? Carl P. co-founded the business OnePlus, which we learned was leaving in late 2020. He eventually made his new business, Nothing, public. The Nothing Ear 1 true wireless earphones were rapidly introduced by the company with the hilarious moniker. The Nothing Phone 1 will be the company's second physical product, and it will be on sale in 2022. Here is all the information we currently have on the Nothing Phone 1. Do subscribe to our channel to watch more tech-related videos. What day will the Nothing Phone 1 launch? After months of speculation, Nothing finally announced a debut date of June 8th, 2022. On July 12th, 2022, the Nothing Phone 1 will be released, and at 11 a.m. Eastern Time on that date, an event dubbed Return to Instinct will take place. Although the corporation withheld all additional release information, we predict that a market release will occur soon after the launch event. If you live in the US, don't count on being able to use the phone quickly or at all. Business has declared that it would not introduce Phone 1 in the US. Before being made freely available, the device will also be sent to Nothing's community members and early backers. The Phone 1 will be offered through an invitation-only system because the business stated that they will initially have a restricted production run. What specs and features will the Nothing Phone 1 include? Nothing has provided a wealth of information regarding the design of the Phone 1. The business remains very mum about its hardware details, though. Until the phone's release date, count on the corporation to continue building anticipation. However, in the meantime, here is what we do know. Design. The translucent housing of the Nothing Ear 1 earbuds was always going to be a part of Nothing's first smartphone. Nothing affirmed this as accurate on May 24th. It accomplished this through an interview with P and professional designer Tom Howard in Wallpaper. Later on June 21st, demonstration footage of the Nothing Phone 1's design went online. You can view some of the phone's promotional pictures from the firm on this website. The glyph, or group of LEDs, on the back of the phone can light up in a variety of patterns and is timed to various noises. For incoming calls, messages, app alerts, reverse wireless charging, and other reasons, they pulse. When the gadget is connected to electricity, a charging progress indicator seen below flashes at the bottom of the back cover. To serve as a fill light for the cameras, the entire rear can also be illuminated all at once. Nothing indicates that it will also allow users to create more unique effects using the UI. We're sadly missing any rumors on the device's size, weight, screen resolution, etc. WinFuture posted some stolen pictures of the Nothing Phone 1 in a black color scheme on June 29th. Nothing seems to be able to offer customers the option of a white or black phone. Finally, we are aware that Nothing intends to supply its initial phone with a large number of protective cases. Additionally, rather than concealing the phone's design, these cases will highlight it. Although the exact design of these cases is unknown, it is comforting to know that you won't have to give up your phone's aesthetic in order to keep it secure. Specs and features. On June 29th, it was announced that the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G Plus chipset would be used in the Nothing Phone 1. This mid-range processor won't be as potent as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 or even the Snapdragon 888 from the previous year. But it's wonderful to know that the chipset will allow wireless and reverse wireless charging. Additionally, we know that the phone will use Nothing OS, an Android overlay. A Samsung phone running Nothing OS has previously been cited. The launcher is currently quite simple, with its single innovative feature being the ability to dynamically resize icons and folders. It is a basic launcher other than that. Nothing affirmed that the Nothing Phone 1 will receive 4 years of security updates and 3 Android upgrades. This virtually matches Google's commitment to support the Pixel phones. Google offers 5 years of patches. However, it lags a little behind Samsung's commitment of 4 Android upgrades and 5 years of security updates. The Phone 1 may thankfully include 8 GB of RAM and either 128 GB or 256 GB of internal storage, according to leaks and rumors. In addition, a 16MP selfie camera, a 4500 mAh battery, and a 120 Hz display refresh rate are believed to be included. It might have a 50MP primary lens on the rear and a 16MP ultra-wide lens. Again, none of these specifications are official. What will the cost of the Nothing Phone 1 be? The alleged cost of the Nothing Phone 1 has been the subject of numerous unreliable rumors. However, none of them has received much weight from us because the sources are hazy, feeble, or altogether missing. That's the end of this video. Comment and let us know if you liked it. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.